Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing cute coastal escape just a few blocks from the beach, Jetty and Splash Park. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Cute coastal escape just a few blocks from the beach, Jetty and Splash Park, is located in Surfside Beach, 28 miles from Galveston Country Club, a 6-minute walk from Surfside Beach, and 0.7 miles from Surfside. The air-conditioned property is a 5-minute walk from Surfside Beach, and guests benefit from complimentary Wi-Fi and private parking available on site. The vacation home features 2 bedrooms, a TV and a fully equipped kitchen that provides guests with a dishwasher, a microwave, a washing machine, a fridge and an oven. Towels and bed linen are featured. Guests at the vacation home can enjoy cycling nearby or make the most of the garden. Hercules Offshore Heliport is 2.2 miles from cute coastal escape, just a few blocks from the beach, Jetty and Splash Park, while Buccaneer Shore Facility Heliport is 3 miles away. The nearest airport is William P. Hobby Airport, 62 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.